In this video we will show you how to use the oven. Before turning on the oven, remember to adjust its transformation voltage to 220 for 110 V, and then press this button to turn it on. Now please adjust the oven temperature to 120. Press the setting button to enter oven adjusting mode. In here you can adjust the setting values by pressing the up arrow or down arrow button. Press the setting button again to quit adjusting mode when all the values are confirmed. The display screen shows you the present oven temperature. It takes few minutes to reach the temperature you set. You can adjust the time setting here. Press the setting button to enter time adjusting mode. Press the up arrow or down arrow button to set the baking time. Confirm the baking time, then press the setting button again to quit adjusting mode. Now let's turn the machine on and start our operation tutorial. Put the printing film with powder onto the oven platform center. Powder side face up. Close the oven cover and press the button to start baking. When there's an alarm ringing, press the start button again to turn it off, and fetch the baked printing film. That's all for this tutorial video. Thanks for watching.